Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to force restart your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Now, first of all, I'll be showing you how to restart normally, and then I'll show you how to force restart in case you're not able to restart your phone the normal way. Now, to restart your phone normally, you need to go to the power menu, okay? And you can do that by long pressing the side button. And once you long press the side button, you should have the option to restart, which you can tap on and tap on it again to restart your phone. Also, you can go to the power menu by tapping on this power button from here. And from the power menu, tap on restart and confirm by tapping again, and that's going to restart your phone. Now, in case those two methods do not work on restarting your phone, or your phone is frozen for some reason, you can restart by long pressing the power and volume down buttons. Okay, so you want to press and hold simultaneously until the phone restarts. You'll see the Samsung logo and even feel a vibration when the phone restarts. So here we go. So power, volume down, press and hold. Just keep holding. Keep holding. Phone goes off. Slight vibration, Samsung logo appears. You can now let go of both buttons and allow your phone to restart. And that's basically how to apply a forced restart to your Samsung Galaxy A05s. This is only necessary when you're not able to restart the normal way, or when you've encountered a deadlock or your phone is frozen. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.